Under construction, one of only 3 remaining move in spring 2018. The Canterbury is a maintenance-free condo located in Crossings at West Valley. This attached condo features a rich European country exterior West stone front facade. Enter this beautiful home through the foyer West ceramic tile flooring and grand entry into the spacious open floor plan. Home features cathedral ceilings throughout living room, dining room, den, kitchen and master bedroom. Living room gas fireplace West ceramic surround and painted mantle. Double door entry from dining room into den. Master retreat hosts walk-in closet and master bath. Master bath has double vanities West cultured marble countertops and undermount sinks. Private guest bedroom and bath are situated in front of home for privacy. Spacious 2-car attached garage. Enjoy an active lifestyle by utilizing the community clubhouse, pool, and fitness center, all while your exterior maintenance is taken care of for you. Crossings at West Valley is located just minutes from shopping, dining and entertainment in beautiful Brunswick.